नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर रमेश प्रताप सिंह बघेल आज आपके सामने एक ऐसे फल की चर्चा करूंगा जो कि आपके स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही लाभकारी है। ये है मुनगा। तो आप देखिए, ये है मुनगा का पेड़, मुनगा की पत्ती, मुनगा का फल। तो दिखा दो बस। So dear friends, you must have seen the leaves of moringa plant, also named as drumstick plant, and in Hindi it is called as munga. These are the fruits of munga which are consumed as vegetable. Really, these fruits and leaves, they are highly nutritious, enriched with lot of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants and proteins. The protein content is also very high. Minerals, no doubt, very rich in minerals, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, very important for the health, for the heart, magnesium, iron, very important for hemoglobin formation, and the zinc, the most important for boosting the body immunity and maintaining the reproductive performance of human being. So besides these very important minerals, these fruits, moringa fruits, munga fruits, they are very rich in vitamins. Carotene, very important for vitamin supply to the body. Then B complex vitamins, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, and very rich in vitamin C. You will all surprised to note that moringa leaves, they are so nutritious in vitamin C that in comparison to orange, it contains 7 times more vitamin C. And when we compare the potassium content of banana, which is very rich in potassium, banana, and that is good for the heart, the potassium content of the moringa leaves, moringa fruit, this is 15 to 17 times more than the banana. So very rich in potassium, very rich in vitamin C, and the iron content. The spinach, which is very rich in iron, in comparison to spinach, these moringa leaves, moringa fruit, they are very rich in iron content, around 15 times more than the spinach. Similarly, the antioxidants, they are very rich in moringa. So dear friends, because of these excellent nutritional properties, moringa, it is very good for our health. It is very important for our skin. It maintains the health of the skin. The skin, which is the excellent protective organ for the body to prevent from the infection. So moringa is maintaining the good health of the skin. Hair. Our hair, many times falling of hair occurs, grayness of the hair occurs, but the moringa is responsible for maintaining the good health of the hair, the black color of the hair, the dandruff do not develop. So it also improves the quality of the hair also. Similarly, the blood, because of the very rich in the iron content, which is very important for the formation of hemoglobin. Here it is also playing very important role. Then for our digestion, moringa is very helpful for improving the digestibility. Besides the digestion, it inhibits the growth of the harmful microorganisms in our digestive tract and thus maintains the health of the digestive tract also. Besides, this moringa is rich in chlorophyll. It is rich in fiber, and because of the rich in fiber content, it increases the motility of the intestine and thus improves the health. Dear friends, this moringa is rich in calcium, and because of that, it maintains the hardness of the bones, healthy bones. Besides the bones, which are very important for the development of the children and even for the any age group, moringa plays very important role. It has been observed that this moringa is also beneficial to prevent the kidney stone formation. The most important thing regarding moringa is it prevents the diabetes. Diabetes type 1, diabetes type 2. Both type of diabetes can be prevented and even can be cured because of moringa. This is very good for the heart because of very rich in antioxidants. Because of very rich in antioxidants, improves the health of the cardiac cells, prevents the free oxyradicals. So radicals, they are prevented because of very high amount of antioxidants. In case of asthmatic persons, consumption of moringa has prevented from the asthma. This is very important as a anti-inflammatory property of the moringa. It prevents the inflammation of the body system, especially in the joints. And because of that, the joint pain that is minimized. Besides, in general, the inflammation of the body reduces, and in the brain cells, it is very important for improving the memory. Besides all these properties, it is very important to prevent the cancer. It has lot of chemicals which has anti-carcinogenic properties, and thus cancer cells cannot multiply in the body. Besides cancer cells, diabetes, asthma, improving the quality of bone, it also prevents lot of infection in the body system because of this moringa. So dear friends, this moringa has lot of beneficial properties because of its nutrients, phytosterols, phytochemicals. Further, because of these phytochemicals, phytosterols, it has been found to increase the estrogen secretion, and because of that secretion in the estrogen, that increases the mammary gland duct for milk production. Thus, in case of nursing mothers, it increases the milk productivity. Besides, moringa feeding, moringa consumption has been also found beneficial in males and females to improve their reproductive performance. So overall, moringa is an excellent fruit, and it should be consumed regularly as much as possible to improve our body health and to improve our body immunity. Thank you very much.